Hello, Enviro Chemicals again. I'm doing a test on a Oxygone hydrogen peroxide base spot cleaner. We've already done a couple of tests on red wine and coffee, which went really well. And we're going to do our last test for today on tea. We actually put some tea onto the carpet, and it's been there for about a week. And we're going to try the Oxygone on it. Okay, let's see how we go.
Alright, so we have our stain here.
As you can see, hydrogen peroxide is an active product, so as soon as you put it on, it goes white and it starts working onto the surface. We just got a brush and we're just agitating the carpet, make sure it's penetrating right to the bottom, because that tea, we put plenty of it and it's gone right through the carpet basically.
You can already see from the foam that it's actually got a yellow tinge to it.
Bucket of just water there, clean water. It was clean.
Basically removing
Yep.
I'm just going to get a towel just to make sure we remove all the excess.
Yeah, just getting a white towel to take the excess of the soap off the carpet. As you can see, it's all
Gone white already.
gone white. Yes.
Dry cloth.
Just getting a microfiber cloth, just drying it off. As you can see, that's the result. Huh? Look at that. It was like this,
Yeah.
and that's exactly how it was.
Before and after.
And now it's like that. And Oxygone, let's see the label again. Oxygone is, yep, a hydrogen peroxide base spot cleaner, and it's an excellent product, as you can see. Envirochemicals.com.au. Thank you for watching.